Why is my heart so light? Why are the stars so bright? Why the sky so blue? Since the hour I met you, flowers are smiling bright, smiling for all the light, smiling so tenderly.
I really love this
What a
song.
world, you and me. And now I'm the one is smiling, smiling so tenderly. It is the same old story through all eternity.